Hi, this is 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm showcasing the Solo New York Restart Underseat carry-on bag. This is a rolling case. It fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop, fits nicely underneath the seat, and it's water-resistant fabric all throughout. You have a zipper compartment right here. And before we get to the other zipper compartments, I'd like to show you the bottom where the wheels are. Most of these Underseat bags do not have a cross member bar between the wheel and the foot. So they crumble up and they become wonky when you're carrying some additional weight in here. This has crossbars for both wheels and both feet. So it will remain rigid underneath your seat and while you're running to wherever that you need to go. So here's the second pocket right here, quite big. You have different pockets, slip-ins right here for memory cards or business cards. And then going further inside the bag, it's an accordion style opening, so everything won't just fall out. So that's nice inside there. And there's a pocket right here. It's the full length of this compartment. And then this is nice and rigid. And this is also accordion style right here. There's another compartment right here. So you could fit a tablet and a laptop easily in this bag. We'll show you the back of the bag here really quickly. So it has a dipole configuration for the handle, and then we'll go vertical as the handle goes vertical. So there was a stop, and it keeps going further. So you have that much travel space for the dipole handle. Folds nicely back right in here. If you like this part here, you can attach the two to make sure it stays shut if you like to overpack. Has a 5-year warranty, and here's some additional details about this bag. This is the roller case, and it goes underneath the seat. Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.